I must hear it. Okay, that's my case.
Okay, listen. If anybody is not happy with this, then you need to go and appeal.
No, I cannot. Because I have a court order. I have a court order, you have released yourself. I have a court order. Anybody who disagrees with this order of court, go to appeal court. That's what you tell me all the time. You are from this official. You cannot preside over this case number again. Not in this life. You cannot. Not now, not tomorrow, not ever. And one over here cannot force this court to preside on my case. You cannot. Not today, not till forever. You are recused and you stand recused. Tell the chief judge, Nnamdi Kanu said, go on appeal. I recused him from my case. The state recused Justice Adama from my case. And the court insists Adama must hear my case. I never insisted. So why must you insist to hear my case? I don't want you in my case. I don't need you in my case. You are biased. You are biased. You cannot be in my case. I don't want you to do the right thing. A chairman of the board of directors constitution is impropriety. Nowhere in the world such nonsense law. You cannot be hobnobbing with lawyers, hobnobbing with justices, and you're proceeding a case. It's shameful. Absolutely shameful. Shameful. This is the record of law. This is a shrine to injustice. And I will not subject myself to it. You stand recused and you must leave my case. You cannot write it. This man is not paying attention. There is an order of recusal, and he's a senior advocate for goodness sake. There's an order of recusal. Is that not the rule of law? The law says if you disagree with this, you go and appeal. You are a grown-up man. Because of 300 million, you're behaving like a child. Go and appeal. Because of money. Because of money they're paying you from ATM office, you are here standing and smoking evil. Because of money. A grown-up man like you say you have to like to behave like a man of honor. The rule of law says you go and appeal. His lordship did that you go and try my case. Not on this planet Earth, I'm telling you that now. So stop wasting your time.
So that I said the issue of the past that the defendant has indicated that he will not make a formal application. I apply that the lordship was a safety day for hearing.
You are not well. You are not well. I'm telling you, this is an order of court. An order of court says Justice Binta Nyako is recused. An order of court. Order she made as an order. The same chief justice writing the stupid memo he's writing. I recused him. He was focused official. He sat on appeal. I took him to the NJC. I recused him. Why did he not say I must sit on the case? Why in the case of his lordship is he insisting? He wants to embarrass her. He wants to embarrass your lordship by asking her to come and sit on this case. Is that what you're saying? There's an order of give it to him. He doesn't have it. Give him an order of court. It's an order of court. Give it to him. He doesn't have it. An order. Give it. He doesn't have it. It's an order of court. It's an order of court.
I take your permission to address you.
Let me
tell the defendants that in every sinner there's need for wisdom. And wisdom is very important in this matter.
And tell him lies.
It is not right for you to be insulting the teacher.
If you insult yourself, I will insult you. If you have no respect for yourself, I will insult you. Because people are telling the law, when it comes to Nnamdi Kanu, you turn the law upside down. The law says one thing, the law says this paper is white. When I go to court, they say it's black. When I say it's black, they say it's white. Is that law? I'm asking you, a senior advocate of Nigeria, is that law? Is the memo from chief judge, is the memo from chief judge sufficient to set aside and a court order? The answer is no. Why do you want to change the law in my own case? His lordship, Justice Binta Nyako, stand recused in my case. Cannot find me. What else to get it? Even your deputy get for trial so you can do your mathematics you always do. People without shame. I have here before me for the benefit of Chicago because it seems he doesn't know the law. So I will tell him, this is national judicial policy of this country. Please give them a copy each. National judicial policy of Nigeria. National judicial policy. I will tell you what it says. Because you don't know, I will tell you. Talking about memo from the chief judge of the High Court. Judicial policy of Nigeria. 1C. I'm reading. Robert. In the performance of judicial functions, the judge is subject only to the law and must only consider the law. The rule of law in every common law jurisdiction in the world is that once an order of court is entered, the only way to set aside is by going on appeal. That's the rule of law. You're the senior advocate, you don't know. I will go to see. A judge must not take or attempt to take orders or instructions of any kind from anyone, even the chief judge, from anybody that may influence his decisions in the performance of judicial function. It means that his lordship having entered an order of court, a decision between myself and her.
Alright guys, this is just the moment that Nnamdi Kanu was teaching the law to the Chief Judge, Justice Binta Nyako and Awolowo and the rest, people that appear to be Chief Judges, people that appear to be his and her lordships. Alright. But my question and my curiosity is this: does it mean they don't actually know the law, or they know the law and they don't want to interpret the law? And I noticed one thing here. If you listen carefully, you will hear the man saying to Nnamdi Kanu that in this case that wisdom is needed, that it is not right for him to begin to insult, the judges. But I don't see anything that is insult. It didn't cost them. It was saying to them, why are you changing the law? So is that what they see as an insult? And I know that many people that will watch this video, they will begin to say, why is he insulting them? Why is he insulting them? Why is he talking to them like that? But when an elder is behaving like a child, that elder should be corrected. People has temperament, and there is no way you will keep somebody in one place for several years without doing the right thing, either to convict him or to free him. Almost 10 years now, no court in Nigeria has been able to jail him because they have seen that he's innocent. So they are just doing one thing or another, changing suit, just to delay this case. It's just a delay tactics to keep him in one place. They know the law, but they don't want to keep the law. The question is why? And this was why the Nnamdi Kanu revealed that Justice Binta Nyako is using his court case as a business because her husband and her son, they are facing corrupt charges in Nigeria. So she's under duress to make sure either she continue with the case and she'll be able to nail Nnamdi Kanu, or the son and the husband will not be released. So this is the case on ground right now. Then my greatest joy right now is that this whole thing is in the public domain. It will not be denied that Nnamdi Kanu actually reminded them, and this is very correct. They should focus on the law. They should uphold the law. This was one of the reasons why Dele Farotimi wrote the book he wrote, and because they know the content of the book and some things that the book will reveal, that was why they shut the book down, that no one should buy the book, no one should use the book, no one should use the book for anything at all, because there are secrets that it will reveal. Talking about the book on the criminal justice of Nigeria in the judicial system, all right, written by Dele Farotimi, and you know what happened when that book was launched. Anyway, while this whole thing was going on, Owazuruike has actually dropped his own opinion in this whole matter, and he has actually addressed a whole lot of matters. So I wanted to pay attention and listen to what Dr. Owazuruike just said.
Education. Governor at the same court, High Court, Federal High Court, Binta Nyako. In our government for about 1 week or so, Brumka Court, Binta Nyako. Yeni na National Security Advisor kwuru ụta o si kwu ya ka Binta Nyako sị m na m ga-ana gaa lie nne m within 90 days and come back to prison. That happened. Mana ị nọtụ na-agwa ndị mmadụ na-ekwu okwu maka experience ị nwere, ndị na-enwe ihe ha ma onye na-agakwa prison before, ma ọ bụkwa the child with treason and treasonable felony. Ọ pụta ụlọ ọnụ kenye n'ọhịa sị gị na a na-ekwu self-determination bla 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 na ọ na-amarọ. Nwaanyị ahụ na-aga na-adọkasị ahụ Binta Nyako onweghị powers release Nnamdi Kanu. Onweghị powers. Ọ ma release ya. As a matter of fact, you man can raise yoku. Tinubu ama release Nnamdi Kanu unless with the support of the security chiefs and the national security advisor. Also, get when a cow was Tinubu, I'm release Nnamdi Kanu without the support of the security chiefs and national security advisor. At some point in my hand, because I got going through the process. Some people can say, I want and self-determination. Self-determination. Court of appeal, as it going to happen on the Kanu. Court of appeal, they higher than the Federal High Court. Has it going to happen on the Kanu? Why Panalapoya? Or Supreme Court to see the Nnamdi Kanu. Oh no, Supreme Court to see the Court of appeal, as it going to happen on the Kanu. Arapoya, the Nigerian. Change Jibania. We the Kwana as Attorney General, Minister of Justice. Ndia ni with the powers to release Nnamdi Kanu. Ndia Odipo National Security Advisor. You want to security no ya naka. And when he can discuss with the president today regarding security, the National Security Advisor Manoya. Moga no be ya. Ya batao pa ya president today with him in Chinaka. And when we uno bien la porta na mancha na mende ane me homo takro. The judge, Pintangako, look at the federal government on and pay a salary. Reduce yourself. I say, reduce yourself. Nah, the chief judge, I say, continue with the case. Yeah, continue with the case. Is that the employee? Chokachoya no. Kikale Bishiaga, can you remember? Fine, it will be easier when the Kadulu is to Attorney General. Minister of Justice, one and now, the gun office here. Fine, the public place. My name is Nigerian National Security Advisor. And I'll give me the actual give me Kadina. Who want anything to do with you? Mana. Oh, yeah, we see me. There was for security no Naka. I know, but I say, Tinubu, there is the one because now the commander in chief. Mana. And when you game, was suddenly release such caliber of person without the agreement with the National Security Advisor, security chiefs. But when he wanted the consent of the National Security Advisor, oh my okay man. Oh my okay man. Yeah, now they listen to the Kanu to be Macron my hoga security situation in Nigeria not Tinubu na account dia kono na aka no na ha gwara ya ka ga eme ọ na ha kwa ya say uba any na di go na southeast kele is onya we say nothing will happen he will release him but only convince Tinubu be able to task na kele is Nnamdi Kanu when is oga pokpa national security advisor I say hey oga bam no oga maybe here now bam e hoge you saw the Koga task, Shepa, Robert Harcourt, Bro Medugri. And when he came about it.
Alright, that's a Chief Raf Owazuruike speaking, and one of the things he said that I actually just wanted to point out is that there's no one that can actually release Nnamdi Kanu except the Chief Security Advisor, because they are the one that is in charge, according to him, that the Supreme Court has discharged and acquitted Nnamdi Kanu, but yet they are still holding him. So who is holding him? And he is pinpointing that the chief security advisors, they are the one that is holding Nnamdi Kanu, that the chief judge cannot release him. There is nothing the judges can do, that the judges are working for Nigerian, that they are like errand boys working for the chief security advisor. So do you think what he's saying is right? Like according to him, that he has actually passed through the process? Or what do you think should be done? Please drop your thoughts right there in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel if you have not, and kindly share this video. Bye for now.